Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Today we're unboxing and exploring Nothing's first true flagship, the Nothing Phone 3. With a Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chip and the brand new Glyph Matrix, this phone is turning heads in 2025. The Phone 3 officially launched July 1st and is available for pre-order July 4th, shipping starting July 15th. Pricing in the US starts at $799 for the 12GB, 256GB model, and $899 for the 16GB, 512GB version. Powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4, a flagship caliber chip optimized for AI and graphics performance. A large 6.67 inches AMOLED 1.5K display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and peak brightness of 4500 nits, protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. The Phone 3 packs a 5150 mAh silicon carbon battery, 5500 mAh in India, with 65W wired and 15W wireless charging. Nothing OS 3.5 atop Android 15 promises 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patches. A quad 50 megapixels camera setup, main plus ultrawide plus periscope zoom plus 50 megapixels selfie cam, all capable of 4K at 60 FPS video. The periscope supports up to 60 times AI super zoom. The standout feature? The Glyph Matrix, a 25x25 micro LED grid on the back for notifications, a live clock, level meter, minigames, and interactive Glyph toys. Nothing OS 3.5 adds AI-powered tools like Flip to Record, Essential Search, and the Essential Key to nudge quick actions. Stylish transparent glass back, flat aluminum frame, IP68 water resistance, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0, and Gorilla Glass 7i protection. Are you sold on the Pixel's cool Glyph feature, or surprised it's moving flagship? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this overview, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for our full review and camera test coming soon. Thanks for watching Technology Trends. See you next time.